Guys, it's Karen, and today I am going to do something different. I am doing an unboxing video, and I'm kind of excited because I never opened it up yet. So, just a little bit about the unboxing. This was something I found while I was watching Lux Mommy, and she was showing what she got for Christmas. And I am just going to, I don't know, when she showed this, it just spoke my name, so I just had to, of course, order it. So with no further ado, let's just get on with it. I got my scissors here, and we'll just open it up. I'm hoping the lighting is good. I don't know. The sun keeps going in and out from the clouds, but let's see. So I hope you all are having a great weekend. It rained yesterday, and I'm just getting so sick of this rain. It's just ridiculous. Okay. All right. Okay. And I never ordered from this company before, but it's where she got hers. And okay. All right. And here's the bag, Fendi. And the company was Farfetch that I ordered it from, and it was kind of nice because they didn't charge for tax or shipping. So, got all that paper out. All right, and here is the little box. Oops, oh, that was not supposed to happen. Of course. Okay. Anyway, it was a nice little box. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. I know when she showed it, I just fell in love with it, but in person, it's even better. I mean, that Fendi logo, and then it ombres into the leopard. I mean, oh, just love it. I hope you guys can really see it. I just love it so much. And so anyway, I just love it. Hope you can see it. And I just thought this would be so cute to tie around my bags, or you could wear it up in a hair bun or something. I just thought it was just adorable. And I got my my Neverfull here, just my damier bean. I just thought that'd be cute down here. Just wrap it around. All right, and I also thought it would be cute tied around the handle of the push-up Matisse also, but that's not the best bow there. But I just love it. I just adore that Fendi logo, and I adore the leopard. I just love leopard anyway, anything with leopard. And I'm just going to make sure that I got everything that I want to tell you about it. It's from Farfetch, and wear it around your wrist, around your neck. I thought it'd be cute as a hair bun. I just fell in love with it. And she bought it, she got the YSL, the Lulu bag in the winter white color for Christmas, and she basically ordered this to go around that Lulu bag, to give it kind of a winter look, a fall winter look. And I'm just so glad I added this to my collection, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful Sunday. It's just a short video, and it was an unboxing, and I never done that before, so it was kind of fun. I'll see you. Have a wonderful, great week ahead.